Welcome to another Worldwide Ticket Craft tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create a seating chart for your reserved seating tickets, allowing you to input the seats, rows, and sections of your auditorium. First thing we'll need to do is download the provided seating chart template. Click to open the sample seating chart with Microsoft Excel. Feel free to read through the descriptions of each column that you'll be entering your seat information into. The first one is the heading column, which represents the levels in your auditorium, such as main floor, balcony, or mezzanine. If your venue doesn't use these terms, simply use the word reserved instead. Next is the section within the auditorium. This indicates the sides where your seats are located, such as right, center, and left. The rows represent the lines of seats in the auditorium, which are normally denoted by letters A, B, C, and so on. The seat column represents the very first seat in the section of the row. For example, row A, seat 1. The seat 2 column represents the very last seat in the section of the row. Finally, the by column is the multiplier for the seat numbers in that row. For example, 1 increases the seat by 1, whereas 2 denotes every other seat, like seats 1, 3, 5, and so on. To the right is an example of an everyday auditorium that shows sections right, center, and left. Before we enter our reserved seats, let's delete the sample information in the provided seating chart. This will allow us to enter our own information. We'll be concentrating on the seats to the right that are in the right section, row A, and span from seats 1 through 8. To begin, in the heading column, let's enter the words main floor. Now, in the section column, enter the word right for the right side of your auditorium. In the row column, enter the letter A, designating the first row. In the seat column, enter number 1 for the first seat. In the seat 2 column, enter the number 8. And finally, in the by column, enter the number 1, because each seat in row A is multiplied by 1. Continue adding the remainder of your seating information by moving on to the center section row A, and then onto the left section row A. When you're done with row A, move on to row B in the auditorium. Continue following this formula until you've listed all your seating information. When you've completed your chart and have added all your reserved seats, click File and save your completed document in a CSV format onto your PC, making sure to rename it accordingly. Then, send us your seating chart via email after you've completed your online reserved ticket order, or let us know if you'd like to use a seating chart we may have on file for you. We hope this tutorial helped. If you have any questions, call us toll-free at 877-426-5754.